Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review applications to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about the Pi network, which is a cryptocurrency that you can mine directly from your phone. Alright, so there are a lot of videos out there that'll show you every single step you need to do to mine Pi. We're not going to take a lot of time to go through absolutely all of it. But just real quickly, if you open the app, you've set up your account, you're going to click this little lightning button that's green, and that will start your Pi mining session. An ad will play, and then you'll start mining Pi. And it'll give you a particular rate. Mine right now is 0.03 Pi per hour, partly because I've referred 9 people, only 2 of them are mining right now. And then I've also locked up a portion of my Pi a while ago, and then that increases my mining rate as well. So if you invite people into your security circle, you'll get a boost. And then if you say like, well, I don't want to touch my Pi for 3 years, you can have it, keep it locked up, you'll get a boost as well. So it's kind of up to you if you're thinking more long-term with Pi, or if you want it right away. You can do that as well once you create a wallet. So you're gonna have to also download the Pi browser. And inside the Pi browser, you will have to complete a KYC, a Know Your Customer, and then that's where you'll receive your passphrase, don't share it with anyone, for your Pi wallet. So once you do mine some Pi and pass the KYC, then you can start to lock up your Pi or send it to other exchanges or other wallets. So it may sound like there's a lot of information there that I didn't go over, but there's really not that much more to it. The biggest part is just to get the app and just click that button every 24 hours, and it's free money, it's free Pi. Now, the exciting thing about Pi right now is that it's about to have its 1-year anniversary on actual Pi Day, March 14th. And then it's going to be listed on Kraken. And it's kind of been one of the big complaints or worries about Pi really since it started in 2019 is it legit? Is it real? Is it ever going to be listed on a major exchange? And there's been a lot of controversy with it over the last year about potential listings, and then nothing really happened. So the fact that it is going live on Kraken is a great indicator that things are really moving forward with the Pi network. So, and you can read a lot about it, that some people speculate that it could become a big deal crypto someday with its infrastructure, or it could just do nothing. I mean, nobody knows for sure what it could or could not do, but the listing on Kraken and a lot of the improvements that they've made over the last year is a good signifier that the project is alive and there's interest in it again. So I don't know, for my money, I like to hit that free button every day. It just takes a couple of seconds, watch a quick little ad, and you're just earning free Pi that may or may not be worth something someday. So if you're interested in Pi, I have left my referral link for my security circle in the description, so feel free to join me if you want some Pi, or just go out on your own and invite your own friends. It's totally up to you. And if you're interested in setting up an account with Kraken, I have left a link for that in the description as well. That's going to do it for the Pi network. If you're interested in more apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com. You'll find a whole bunch of apps there you can start earning with today. We'll see you in the next video.